The ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer offers a reliable and efficient solution for anyone who loves grilling, cooking, or baking with precision. Here are its top benefits written in paragraph form. This thermometer provides instant and accurate temperature readings within just a few seconds, ensuring your meat and other foods are perfectly cooked every time. Its large backlit display makes it easy to read temperatures even in low light or outdoor grilling conditions. The foldable probe design not only ensures safety but also allows for compact storage. It's built with waterproof technology, making it easy to clean under running water without worrying. Whether you're left or right-handed, the ambidextrous display automatically rotates for convenient viewing. Its magnetic back and hook design make it easy to attach to ovens, refrigerators, or hang for quick access. This thermometer is suitable for all types of cooking, grilling, smoking, baking, or even candy making, making it a versatile kitchen tool for both professionals and home cooks alike.
It's a little bit more. It's a little bit more. 53. Looking for 165. Needs a little bit more.
Hi guys, this is the product review for the ThermoPro, and it's really cool. I really like that it shows you everything here that you need to know, the recommended temperatures. You can change right there also. So Fahrenheit, clock, light, like that. Yeah, it's really cool. It turns both ways too if you want, and you can put it back in like that when it locks when you don't use it. So it's really cool. I really like it.
See this? This right here is what helps cut it on and off. So right now it's on with the probe sticking out. Cut it off, close it. That cuts it off. It gives you instructions and other little cards.
Best little digital thermometer out there. This has a great safety feature so that whenever it's not in use, it goes in its little cubby. You just pull it out, which is hard to do with one hand, and it tells you the temperature. You can lock that temperature if you need to for any reason, or you can turn the light on and off. So if you're cooking at night, that is necessary. This has a little holder, so if you need to hook it onto something, what we do is put a little sticky thing and put it on our fridge, so it's always noticeable and out. It also tells you the recommended internal temperatures on the back, so you don't have to remember or guess what they are. And then it only takes one AAA battery. We've had this for a whole year, and we still haven't had to change the battery one time. So this is amazing.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for.